Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the program to find maximum element in the array using C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic maximum element in the array. We know that array is a collection of same type of data. Here we are using single dimensional array to store the set of data. In this we need to find what is the maximum element in this given array element, which one is maximum, that is the program. First we will start the program. First we will include the header file as include stdio.h, standard input output header file. This is used for printf and scanf. As include conio.h, console input output header file. It is used for clear screen and get cgh. Then we can start the main program. Void main, open the brace. The first step is we need to declare the variables. The first one is integer a of 100. So this is a single dimensional array. Array name is a and maximum size is 100. So we can store 100 numbers in this array. Then n is the how many number we are going to use. Right? This is a maximum number. In that n is how many number. We can use either 5 number or 10 number. For single dimensional array, we need a for loop is needed. For that, we declare the variable I. So this max is nothing but a maximum element. We are going to store the maximum element in this variable max. Then after clear screen, printf enter the number of element in the array. We ask the user to how many number of element we are going to use. Scanf %d and n. %d refers integer type and n refers address of n. So the user will enter the number of element that will be stored in n. Now we need to get the array elements. Now we got the array. What is the array size? Now we need to get the array element. Printf enter the array elements. We ask the user to enter the array elements. For that we need to open for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Let us consider the n is 5. That is 5 numbers we are going to use. So initially I value is 0. So scanf %d integer type and address of a of I, that is a of 0. The user what entered the first number will be stored in a of 0. Then it will go to the increment. I become 1. So the second number will be stored in a of 1. Like that it will go a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. If it is a of 5, the condition is false. I should be less than 5. Right? The n what we assumed as 5. So if it is I should be less than 5. So it will execute it 5 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First number stored in a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. Then it will terminate it. Right. Next what we are doing, max equal to a of 0. That is a of 0 is the first element. We are storing we are make the first element as a maximum. We assume that a of 0, the number first element, the element what we entered first is stored in max. Right? Thereafter we will check with the other numbers. If the other number is maximum, we will replace. Initially first number is stored as a maximum. Now we will go for the comparison. So in order to verify with other numbers, we open one for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. We already assume that the n value is 5. Right. So it will initially the I is 1 because already the first number is stored as a maximum. So we will start with the second number, I of I equal to 1. Right. Normally I starts with 0. But 0 is already assigned as a maximum. So we need to check from second number onwards. So that I start from 1. Right. So here what we are checking, this I equal to 1 means second number. Right. Now a of I is equal to 1. 1 means second number. If a of I greater than max, that is first number already stored in max, this is the second number. Suppose the second number is greater. Second number is greater than this max. Then we need to store this second number as a maximum. Suppose second number is not maximum, it will go to the next step. Right. So the first number already stored here. We are checking with the second number. If the second number is greater, the second number will be stored as a maximum, overwritten. Then it will go to the next process. If it is this condition is not true, this a of I is not greater than max, then it will not go to this step, it will go to the increment, go to the next step of the for loop, right? So it will go to the similarly next 2. A of 2 means third number and max will be verified. If it is true, third number will be stored, otherwise it will go to the next loop. So then let go to 3. 3 means fourth number is verified. Then 4 means fifth number. If I equal to 5 means terminated, because I less than 5, right? So max is verified with second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. If the condition is true, the corresponding number will be stored as a maximum, otherwise it will go to the next step, right? So finally, after executing this loop, the maximum number will be available in this variable max, that we can print. Print of the maximum element in the array is %d, that is integer type max, right? That will be printed. After get cgauge, we can close the program. Get cgauge will get the character from the user. Until that, we can see this output. Now we'll see the output. What is the output of this program? Enter number of element in the array, 5. We enter 5. Now enter array elements. We ask the user to enter 5 elements, 10, 23, 18, 48, 56, right? So the maximum element in the array is 56. What is the process? First this 10 is stored in the max. Then 10 is verified with 23. Now 23 is maximum, greater than 10. So the 23 will be stored. This 23 is verified with the 18, but 18 is not greater. So it will not store, it will go to the next step. Then it will check with the 48. This 48 is greater than this 23. Now 48 is stored as a maximum, right? Now the maximum variable maximum is 48. Then it will check with the fifth number. So this is greater, 48. This 56 is greater than 48. So the 56 stored in the variable maximum. Finally, we got the maximum value is 56, right? So in this program, we analyze the maximum element in the given array. The set of numbers, we identify which one is maximum. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.